हेलो बच्चों, मैं हूँ मिस मियाओ।
The color of bananas is... The answer is yellow. We use a clock to know The answer is time. The baby of a dog is called a... The answer is puppy. We wear woolen clothes in... The answer is winter. The baby of a cat is called a... The answer is kitten. We use soap for... The answer is bathing. We use a comb to... The answer is brush our hair. The sun gives us... The answer is light. We eat breakfast in the... The answer is morning.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो मिस मियाओ के चैनल को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलना और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब भी जरूर कर देना।